Hi, this is Tobe from NIBCARD Games, and today we're going to be unboxing Village War the Calamity. I've really been excited about this, and yeah, today I see what all this excitement has got in stock for me. Okay, we're going to put this over here. Okay, wow, so many arts. So it's written Village War the Calamity, produced and manufactured by NIBCARD Games, designed by Kenichukwu Buago, 4 to 5 players, ages 13 and above, and it takes 45 to 60 minutes. And this beautiful art I'm seeing is illustrated by Felix Elei. Wow, nice art. There is a story here, but yeah, you get to read it when you get your copy. I'm gonna drop this over here. Ooh, I'm guessing this is the rule book. Yeah, it's pretty detailed. Wow, all 12 pages of it. Oh, and this is a storybook. I love a good story. Wow, can you see this? Exciting. And the warriors are here also. All 11 pages of feel good stories. And I'm going to be making reference to the rulebook. I can see the game components, so I'll properly identify these guys. And here is written village boards. These are the 5 village boards. Whoa! And these are the 5 village walls. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Oh, shields well. And next we have the tributes, the different tributes. We have fresh palm wine, crops of harvest, livestock, firewood and cowries. And here we have the village warriors. Wow. Let's see one of the villages. Let's see what's inside. Oh god, this card feels good on the hand. See? Nice. Oh, I like this. It is Ikenga with his, giant bird. Alright. And here we have artifacts. Oh, 24 artifacts. Ooh, Staff of Authority, Command Active. I don't want to say that, but I already feel the power surging through me. Oh, whoa, what's this? Looks like some kind of map, but oh yeah. And that's all we have inside the village box. And I like how they demarcated it pretty good, Yeah. And that's Village War for you. Hope you enjoyed the game. I know you will.